automatically walk into frame, put myself in a good rule of thirds position. Hello, friends. I'm here down by a river. It's probably way too loud to hear me. I've got a shotgun mic, and I forgot my lab, and it wouldn't be a Jerome filming trip if he didn't forget some piece of critical equipment. Filming here right now on the FX6 and the 24-105 f4. It's a wonderful camera. I got some great footage of a beaver, and it's incredible because even as the light went down and the beaver became more active, you can still very much basically see in the dark with this camera. But had a great time, took the Scout out, took the truck out, worked out great. I love it out here in Eastern Washington. In any case, thanks for watching, and I don't know, sign the video.
But I kind of wanted to see what this looked like and what it sounded like. And right now, the air compressor's running, or the refrigerator's running, so I better go catch it.